Pakistan offers opportunity for investment in diverse fields. Faisal Tirmizi Ambassador Faisal Niaz Tirmizi, Pakistan envoy to UAE, thanked to His Excellency Dr. Abdul Rahman Hassan Al Moeni, Ministry of Economy, UAE, for attending Business Opportunities Conference, Dubai. The conference was held at Haptur Palace, Dubai, which was attended by more than 100 businessmen from UAE and Pakistan. Mr. Tirmizi said that Pakistan is a country about 250 million people that offers immense opportunities for investment in diverse fields. Tirmizi said that today's Dubai is the manifestation of His Highness Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum dreams, transforming this region into a commercial hub. Ambassador said that his team warmly invite Emirati investors to invest in Pakistan real estate, energy, agriculture, IT, and other sectors. The Pakistani delegates, welcomed by His Excellency Dr. Abdul Rahman Hassan Al Moeni, Ministry of Economy. He highlighted that UAE and Pakistan offer opportunities for business communities of both the countries. He hoped for the best and positive outcomes from businessmen of both the countries. Mr. Asad Zafar Bakhtarvi, President Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Javed Malik, President Overseas Pakistani Business Forum and former Ambassador of Pakistan, and other key businessmen also spoke on the occasion. Various documentaries showcasing investment opportunities in different sectors in Pakistan were also shown during the conference. A detailed panel discussion by experts was also conducted during the conference. The event was also attended by Hussain Muhammad, Consul General, and other diplomats of Pakistan's Consul General in Dubai. Rabia Ashraf with the cameraman at the reporting team, Amarat News, Dubai.